Islamabad, a day after the killing of 5 Chinese nationals in a suicide attack in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the government reiterated its resolve to comprehensively combat terrorism by implying all resources available to the state and bring the perpetrators to justice swiftly. Full stop. In response to the Chinese government's demand to promptly investigate the incident and act against those involved, the government on Wednesday also decided to form a joint investigation team to probe the attack. Full stop. The commitment to eradicate terrorism was echoed in an emergency meeting chaired by Prime Minister. Full stop. The high-level meeting was also attended by the Chief of the Army Staff, Federal Ministers, all Chief Ministers, Chief Secretaries, Inspector Generals of Provinces, Chief Secretaries and IGs of Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Full stop. Next para. The 5 Chinese engineers and their Pakistani driver were killed in the suicide bombing on Tuesday while traveling between Islamabad and a hydroelectric dam construction site in northern western Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Full stop. The bus was attacked in the Bisham city of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa district. Full stop. It was decided in the meeting that the government would crush the resurgence of terrorism in country at any cost. Full stop. According to the Prime Minister's office, Mr. offered his deepest condolences to the victims' families and assured them that the perpetrators would be brought to justice. Full stop. Next para. The Premier said the whole nation was saddened by the loss of Chinese lives and also gave instructions for a thorough joint investigation to be conducted utilizing all state resources. Full stop. The acts targeting Pakistan-China friendship are particularly aimed to creating mistrust between the two iron brothers, the Prime Minister was quoted as saying in the official statement. Full stop. During the meeting, Chief of Army Staff reiterated the resolve of armed forces to eliminate the scourge of terrorism afflicting the country. Full stop. Nothing to recent surge in terrorist incidents. General underestimated the resilience and grit of the state and people of Pakistan. Full stop. Next para. We shall not leave any stone unturned to ensure that every foreign citizen, especially Chinese nationals contributing to the prosperity of Pakistan, is safe and secure in Pakistan. Full stop. We shall fight terrorism with all our might to the very end, he added. Full stop. Later addressing in an iftar dinner hosted in honor of the members of the diplomatic corps at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Prime Minister on Wednesday reiterated Pakistan's firm support to global efforts for peace and stability without compromising on the security of its people, sovereignty and territorial integrity, he said. Full stop. Next para. As a peace-loving nation, Pakistan desires peace with all and enmity with none. Full stop. Earlier, Foreign Minister said terrorist attacks in Moscow reminded them of the collective threat. Full stop. He said Pakistan would continue supporting the regional and global cooperation in addressing this menace. Full stop. He said Pakistan was ready to build bridges for the agenda of peace in the entire world. Full stop. Message of unity is speaking to reporters after the meeting. Information Minister said the participants recognized the need for a unified policy against terrorism. Full stop. He said the nation was given a message of unity that we unite when there is an attack on our interests and that we know how to protect ourselves and our friends. Full stop. Next paragraph. He said the meeting lauded the sacrifices of security forces who saved precious lives from being lost while dealing with recent attacks in Turbat and Gwadar. Full stop. The minister said JIT would be found to probe the incident, adding that the spirits were high in the meeting and all the participants were on the same page. Full stop. This is our clear message that we will not rest until terrorism is eradicated, he added. Full stop. President visits China embassy. Meanwhile, President visited the Chinese embassy on Wednesday and said enemies in the region could not accept Pakistan's and China strengthening of their bilateral ties. Full stop. The president visited the embassy to offer condolences over Tuesday's killings. Full stop. Prime Minister and Interior Minister visited the Chinese embassy on Tuesday. Full stop. President assured Mr. that the criminals involved in the attack would be apprehended and all necessary measures would be taken to ensure the security of Chinese citizens working on various projects in Pakistan. Full stop. The Chinese ambassador thanked the president for personally visiting the embassy to offer condolences. Full stop. He appreciated that Pakistanis from all walks of life had condemned the terrorist attack. Full stop. He underscored the need to increase counter-terrorism cooperation and enhance security for Chinese workers in Pakistan. Full stop. The ambassador reiterated his country's resolve to further strengthen cooperation with Pakistan and continue supporting CPEC and other projects. Full stop. Bids to undermine ties would not succeed. Full stop. Meanwhile, a Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson on Wednesday emphasized that China and Pakistan were all-weather, strategic cooperative partners, APP reported. Full stop. No attempt to undermine China-Pakistan cooperation would succeed, said during his regular briefing in response to a question about the attack. Full stop. He strongly condemned the act of terrorism and expressed deep condolences over the loss of lives. Full stop. Next paragraph. He said that after the attack, the Chinese Foreign Ministry and the country's embassy in Pakistan immediately activated an emergency response mechanism, swiftly took emergency response and engaged in close communication with Pakistan and Beijing and Islamabad and asked to thoroughly investigate the incident as soon as possible, hunt down the perpetrators and bring them to justice. Full stop. We asked Pakistan to take effective measures to protect the safety and security of Chinese nationals, institutions and projects in Pakistan, he added. Full stop. Mr. said the Pakistani side promised to thoroughly investigate this incident, share the progress to the China side, promptly strengthen. Full stop. The security measures to ensure the safety and security of Chinese personnel, projects and institutions in Pakistan.